Hello guys, welcome back once again to my English comprehension exercises. Today I am continuing my videos on beginners exercises, beginners English lessons. But I'm working on vocabulary words with some of my teachings on how you can learn English faster. But before we get started, as always guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. And as always, it would be greatly appreciated. So let's get going with how you can learn English faster. And again, this is for my beginners out there. One of the ways that I teach my students how to shut off their language side of their brain, shut it off, cut it off, shut it off, and open the English side of their brain is to repeat vocabulary words faster and often. But today, this exercise is going to be on the number system. We're going to learn how to speak the number system in English, starting with just 1 to 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. And the best way to start is to start out slowly with the number 1. So let's go and try this exercise so you can shut off your natural native English, native side of your language off, cut it off, and open the English side of your brain, okay? So let's repeat. Repeat after me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. So let's repeat those numbers 1 through 10 a little faster now, okay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Look at the words that I spelled out here in the video across the screen here. First, you must learn the number system in the written out version, not just the number system, but the written out version. And pronunciate it, starting slow first, and then repeat until you can get it up to speed. Once you get it up to the speed that we're going to be practicing today, you will have it stuck into your brain and you will never forget it. So let's go a little bit faster this time. Okay, you ready? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Let's go a little bit faster. Are you ready? Let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. You ready? Did you get that? Let's go a little bit faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Did you get that? Did you make a mistake? That's okay if you make a mistake. You just keep practicing the English number system that we're going over right now, 1 through 10. And you practice it slowly. You start out slowly until you understand the number system 1 through 10, and then you start speaking it faster and faster and faster through each series. So let's go really fast this time. We're going to go really fast this time. Are you ready? Okay, let's go. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A little faster. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. If you do that, guys, I promise you, you will understand the English numeric system, the number system, as you read it and you pronunciate it faster. Have the number system written in front of you. Review this video often that's showing the number system here, and you begin to pronunciate the numbers fast. You start slow and then you go fast. And guys, you can continue this exercise in learning English fast, not only with the number system, but other vocabulary words. The vocabulary words for the kitchen, the vocabulary words for the living room, the vocabulary words for the bedroom, and so forth and so on. Do you understand? Thank you, guys. That's the end of this exciting English comprehension lesson for my beginners out there. If you want to learn English fast, you must practice, guys. Practice this number system that we just went over, and I promise you, you will begin to understand English faster. Again, guys, please like my page and also hit that subscribe button for me. You don't want to miss the next exciting lesson for my beginners on how you can learn English faster. Bye.